Mommy.
Ay, hello. Good evening po. Ayan. Baka na naman naglalaro sila sa yung dalawang yan. Ito si Kelly. Hindi nila alam guys. Hindi nila alam guys na nandito ako. Ang ingay. Ba't kaya? Listen. What are you doing, girls? Ano to? Oh, shadow? Oh. Can I see the shadow na? Oh, drop my things there. Ayun. Hi guys, ito ang bus sa gabi. Okay, you go here. Here. Ayan. Ayan. Not big, that's so big. Can I here. Yes, yes. Okay.
Let's go big one. Yeah. Wow.
Not big one. This small. See mommy here. Look at mommy. What is this?
Dinosaur.
Oh, what is this? Okay. Just like this. Okay. Okay, like this. Wow, like a princess, ate. Okay. Go. Ayan, ayan, binili ko yan. Siguro nasa Singapore pa kami. Ngayon ko lang on ulit. Na-miss nila magpa-shadow, guys. Ayan. Ito mo yung buhok ni Kaylee. It's so curly. Don't so near, no. Tantawa siya shadow niya. Tingnan mo si Kaylee yung hair. Oh. Hair. Nasa kwarto nila. Nasa kwarto sila Kaylee. Ayan, di ba? Ayan, ang pa-shadow, guys. Yan guys. Si Keisha na kanta. Hindi ko maintindihan. Hi, ayan. Good evening sa inyo, guys. Ayan muna ang aking content na may pa-shadow. Hayaan natin silang see? Nakakatawa si Ate Keisha. Ayan. Pa-shadow lang. Pa-shadow lang tayo ngayon. experience nila yung mga pa-shadow-shadow. Oo. First time nilang nagawa yan. Nung binuhay ko kasi yan nung nandun kami sa Singapore. Medyo hindi sila nakapag-shadow kasi tulugan na kami. So, ngayon kong naisipang i-on ulit. So, yan. May experience man lang nila na magpa-shadow. Kasi diba dati, pag nag-blackout lang sa atin, saka natin yun magagawa yung may pa-shadow. Kasi dun sa mga lampara or something like lights na maliit, tapos may shadow, diba? Oo. Like, nagawa ang mga snake, dog, rabbit, mga ganon. Sila, ayan, sige. Pagbigyan ko sila, yan. Oo. After nyan, tutulog na si Kaylee. May pasok si Kaylee bukas. Tapos na ang holiday nila, guys. Nakakatawa si Kaylee at si ate, oh. Laki ng buhok ni Kaylee, oh. Nahayaan ko siya, guys. Diba? Si dancing. Nak, si dancing. Let her. Tatawa ko sa dalawang yan. Diba? Ayan. Tingnan natin si Ate Keisha. Sumayaw. Ate, go! Dance! Where's Kaylee? Kaylee, your turn! Your turn, Kaylee! Oh, laki ng hair, guys. Oh, see? Say hello, guys.
Hi guys, it's in the party.
Hello, guys. Hi, guys. Oh, what is that, Kaylee?
Go. Happy baby girl. Hello world. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Ate Keisha. Okay, let's go na. Enough na, girls. Okay, one more. Then sleep na, ate. Wash your feet na. Okay, one more to Kaylee, right? Oh, what is that? What's that? What is that, Kaylee? Oh, frog. Okay, done? I off now? Then how? Off now. Oh, guys, thank you for watching, guys. You say thank you. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Alright. Say bye. Bye. Okay. Bye. Bye. Oopsie. Okay, go. Okay, go.
And the testing.
Mm.
The testing.
Be careful, be careful. Okay, okay, okay. Say bye first, say bye.
Bye, birds. Bye. Mommy, you hold my hand.
Okay, say bye. Say bye.
This is Santa's gone.
Shadows
Can
yan.
you give me on my hand?
Okay,
On
go.
my hand. I think I'm here.
Come on, faster now. I'm gonna off now. I'm gonna off. Say bye. Bye, guys.
I want.
Bye.
I don't wait.